I assume that you use Excel to collect or to analyze data every day. I also bet that the business that you own or the organization that you work for is in the large number of entities that rely on Excel models for all or at least large and significant parts of their operation. I'm talking to you about a product that extends Excel to a new level of functionality without any need to change your tried and true models, but that opens up a new set of opportunities to leverage your Excel skills and data in ways you never thought possible. It's easy to use. It's easy to get value from. We call it XLPublish. XLPublish is an add-in that performs ETL for Excel that directly uploads your selected data from Excel to Power BI. Why do you build Excel models anyway? My guess is it is mostly to produce analytics that you can use to support decision-making in your organization. We at XLPublish think that first you have to start thinking of your large Excel models simply as calculators that produce data for your reports. When you ship all your data along with your reports, you are exposing the most sensitive information your company has unnecessarily. Believe us, the days of sending around big files full of detailed data along with your results all in one file are over. But how does XLPublish do a better job of getting these Excel results out to your audience? With XLPublish, you do not publish all the data from your Excel source file, just the results, the already aggregated results. And you do this in a way that is much more intuitive and capable than the native capabilities either Excel or Power BI provide. The detailed data remains behind your firewall in your source file. Then you finish your presentation for the browser using the advanced capabilities of Power BI. So when you use Power BI, you control not only what the user sees, but it is delivered interactively in a browser. The distribution options of Power BI are strong and secure. You can control who gets what information, when, and what they can do with it. And with the XLPublish add-in installed in Excel, you get all that, plus you continue using all the Power Query, Power Pivot, data modeling, and DAX measures that you have learned over the past years in your source Excel files. And if you wish, you can also use them in the XLPublish target file as well. With XLPublish, you just select ranges of cells, range names, tables, and pivot tables simply by clicking on them. We convert pivot table results into relational tables for you and upload them as datasets for you. You can choose to replace the current data when you refresh, or you can keep incremental versions or scenarios. XLPublish will upload your data directly into the Power BI service database in the cloud immediately with one click in Excel. No more restricting data gateways. Your data gets uploaded whenever and as often as you wish. And that uploaded data shows up in your Power BI report immediately. We believe XLPublish is a game changer. So please install and enjoy XLPublish. Try it for a while. Buy it if you see its value. We are sure that it will quickly become a standard feature for extending your use of Microsoft Excel.